Welcome to this lesson on climate vocabulary. In this session, learn important English words that describe the weather and the natural conditions around us. These words help you understand weather reports and talk about the climate in different places clearly and confidently. Climate means the usual weather in a certain area over many years. It tells what kind of weather a place normally has, including how hot or cold it is, how much it rains, and how often it changes. For example, India has a warm tropical climate, while Northern Europe has a cold climate. Temperature shows how hot or cold something is. It is measured in degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. When the temperature is high, it feels warm. When the temperature is low, it feels cold. For example, the temperature today is 30 degrees Celsius, which means it is quite warm. Humidity means the amount of water vapor or moisture in the air. When the humidity is high, the air feels heavy and sticky. When it is low, the air feels dry. For example, after it rains, humidity increases and the air can feel hotter even if the temperature is not very high. A forecast is a prediction about the weather that will happen in the future. Weather experts use scientific data to make forecasts. They might say it will rain, be sunny, or windy in the coming days. For example, the weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow means rain is expected soon. Here is a quick review. Climate means the normal weather over time. Temperature tells how hot or cold it is. Humidity means the amount of moisture in the air. Forecast means a weather prediction. These words are important when you talk about or listen to weather information in English. Let's use the new words in sentences. The climate in mountain areas is usually cold. The temperature drops sharply at night. High humidity makes it hard to stay cool. The forecast predicts heavy rain this weekend. Practice saying these sentences aloud to make English speaking easier. Well done, you have learned key English words to describe the weather and climate. Try to listen to weather reports and use these words when talking about your local weather. Keep practicing English every day, and your vocabulary will continue to grow. Thank you for learning today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.